Betterment ACH transfer is a secure and convenient way to move funds into or out of your Betterment account. To start, it is essential to understand what ACH stands for, which is Automated Clearinghouse, a network used for electronic fund transfers in the United States. The first step to initiate a Betterment ACH transfer is to link your bank account to your Betterment account. This can be done by providing your bank account and routing numbers, and then verifying the account through a series of small test deposits made by Betterment. Once your bank account is linked, you can initiate a transfer by logging into your Betterment account and selecting the transfer option. You will then be prompted to choose the account you want to transfer funds from or to, and enter the amount you wish to transfer. It is crucial to note that ACH transfers typically take a few business days to process, so it is essential to plan ahead when moving funds. Additionally, there are no fees associated with ACH transfers, making it a cost-effective way to manage your finances. To ensure a smooth transfer process, it is recommended to check that your bank account is eligible for ACH transfers and that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transfer amount. In conclusion, Betterment ACH transfer is a reliable and efficient way to manage your finances. And by following these steps and best practices, you can take advantage of this convenient service to achieve your financial goals.